Let's get your scrubber ready for its first job. Follow these simple steps to save time, improve cleaning results, and keep your floors looking their best. Start by fully charging the battery. Next, sweep or remove large debris from the floor. This allows the brushes to clean more effectively and helps extend the life of your machine. Next, fill the clean water tank with fresh water and add a neutral, low-foam floor cleaning solution. A little cleaner goes a long way, so skip the extra soap and let the machine do the work. To begin cleaning, press the power button, then activate the vacuum, brush, and water functions. Clean using slow, steady passes and allow the brushes to do the work. There is no need to push down or apply extra pressure. For consistent results, slightly overlap each pass to ensure complete floor coverage. As you clean, the vacuum and squeegee system recover dirty water, leaving floors clean, dry, and ready for foot traffic. Once you're done cleaning, shut off the water, but let the vacuum run for a few more seconds to suck up any leftover water in the hose and on the floor. Then power down the whole machine. Next, remove and empty the recovery tank. Rinse the tank to remove any remaining dirt or residue. Clean the filter screen in the recovery tank after every use. A clogged screen can restrict airflow, reduce performance, and cause the motor to overheat. Inspect the brushes and squeegee for debris. Recharge the battery and store the machine in a clean, dry location until its next use. That's it. Your scrubber is now ready for the next cleaning job. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.